you ready? Let's go!
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the ORS products from this month's curlBOX. So this is for the month of September, and I already tried out the shampoo and conditioner. My hair's still damp from the shower. So the creamy aloe shampoo, there really isn't a fragrance to it. It's a clarifying shampoo, but it doesn't feel like a clarifying shampoo. It doesn't feel all streaky and everything. So I feel like it did its work. But it didn't leave that clarifying feel to it like other ones do. So it's okay, it works. There's really not a fragrance to it. I think it's just doing its job. All right, next we have the replenishing conditioner, and I really like this one. It smells, you know, it has sweet orange oil in it, and it smells like oranges. Like it's oranges. It smells really great. It really detangled my hair. I really like this one. Okay, next we're going with the Smooth and Hold pudding. Smells good, looks like that. It is infused with coconut oil. So let's try that out. And I'm only using two products. I'm just using this and the mousse. So. And I did not towel dry my hair. I normally do, because when I get out of the shower, I use leave-in conditioner and hair oil. So I let that like absorb a little bit on the towel. But I didn't use anything because it didn't come in with a leave-in conditioner or anything like that. Okay, so I just put this all over my hair. I really like how it feels. Next, I'm going to be using the Hold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse. So I know these are used normally for hair wraps. I personally like it, you know, by itself as a mousse. I actually tried this, not this brand, but a hair mousse years ago, because I needed something for my hair, and all they had was this, well, a hair mousse that was for wraps. And I was like, you know what? I don't have anything. I didn't bring anything from home. I need to do my hair. And I used it. I really like it. Even that hair lotion, it's like very soft. I don't even remember what it's called anymore. And I used like both these stuff, and I really liked it. So whenever I hear hair mousse for wraps, I like it for my hair, even if I'm not putting it in a wrap. So let's do this. All right, I'm gonna use a towel. This is not a microfiber towel. It has a feel of a microfiber towel, but I mean, it does a job for me. I'm gonna absorb some of that excess product because I did put too much. Okay, so I normally wait an hour and then I diffuse my hair, but we are going to Costco, Ulta, and I think Kohl's. We're just gonna be all over the place. So I am gonna let it air dry, and I will check in with you guys to show you guys the progress of the hair being air dried, just like that. So yeah, I'll check in a few hours. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so I might as well just check out now. I'm not too crazy about the income. As you can tell, it's really frizzy. I let it air dry. I didn't really mess with it until like now to try to save it. I mean, for the most part, I have my curls. It's just extra frizzy, and it's not like it was super humid outside or anything like that, because I don't even think it was humid. But I think I might add some Cream of Nature repairing oil. Is this little guy. You guys probably seen him a couple of times. It's one of my favorite oils, especially to try to like salvage my hair. So I'm gonna try it, see if it works. If it doesn't, well, either way, my day is pretty much done, and I'm just gonna put my hair up. So let's take off my ring. All right, did about 5 pumps. It's not looking so good, guys. It's not. Okay, all right. For the most part, I mean, on camera, it doesn't look too bad, but in person, it's not great at all. So I normally don't like to say anything negative about products because this is not my style, but I'm thinking if I were to do these two again, I would probably add like some kind of hair gel to it in the end to kind of give it more of a definition. So overall, I think if I'm just gonna do a not so much going anywhere hairstyle or anything, or just kind of just keep my curls under control, I probably will do this one probably with something else, or even alone. You know, there's days where I just do my hair and don't really do anything. They are nice products. I would just recommend adding another styler on top of that because my hair is frizzy, so I do need like that extra hold. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.